Hi everybody, I'm Carlo Brandaglia. I am the scientific coordinator of the postgraduate area in IED Milan.
I'm Alberto Iacoboni. I'm the coordinator of the master's program at IED Rome.
We didn't stop working during the lockdown period, and we eventually found a way to make this situation able to develop our teaching strategies.
The first thing that we did was to reprogram our master courses, anticipating those courses that were more fitting with this new mode of teaching, the most theoretical one, and pushing after the lockdown the more practical ones, those that required the use of the laboratories, but also the fact of being together in one class to bring on the projects and all the design assignments.
We changed our structure, our teaching structure. That means that, for example, we try to increase the rhythm of our master, making more launches and more reviews in order to get a wider control on our project.
Another very important things that we did was to bring into the design briefs the current situation. I think that many changes will remain and that what we have to do now is to understand which are the opportunities that this condition is giving us.
Hi, my name is Michele Albera and I'm the coordinator of the Master in Transportation Design of IED Torino. During the conception of the academic year, we had two main goals: guaranteeing the quality of the didactics and the safety of our students. We will continue working with the same approach of the automotive industry and in collaboration with the top brand. We will give the first-year students the skills requested to get in the sector, while we will assure the second-year students to work on the full-scale model that makes our master unique.
Hello everyone, my name is Riccardo Bresciani. I'm coordinating the Master of Fashion Business at IED Firenze. From January 2021, our educational program will consist of a blended formula, best of the physical experience combined with the best of digital. This means that, for example, for digital guest lectures, we could have a broader span of partners and collaborations and a more direct, informal relationship with them. But it also means that we'll train students skills in managing an online presentation, convince a board or investor through, for example, a digital pitch, in which it's, in our opinion, a truly future-proof set of skills that they will increasingly need to have for the fashion system of tomorrow.
Hi, my name is Michele Giacopuzzi. I'm an IED ambassador and Design Master Project Assistant. Blended teaching, as we design it, aims to support the instinct of a designer, keeping online all the theoretical activities, moment of learning with our professors, and bringing back all the project activities, such as revision with our mentors, and all the aspects of a project that needs to be done by hand. An online activity that was particularly successful was a selection for scholarship, an online workshop organized in several sessions through which we were able to get in contact with more than 300 candidates from all over the world.
Every student has his particular ability, every student works in a particular place, every student has a different culture. Our students come from all over the world, and it's quite nice to make them merge their culture. In particular, I think that what we discovered and what we are trying to insert in our new structure is to build up a sort of cloud where people merge, where people can share his ideas although they live in different parts of the world, taking with them their competencies and also their network of people.
Good morning, everybody. My name is Clelia Bernia. I'm the head of the Career Service Office. The Career Service keeps on working to provide several opportunities to our IED students and alumni. You can find a dedicated Career Service Office in all IED locations. Even in this particular period, we have organized several activities in order to boost our graduates' career, such as the IED Virtual Career Fair together with the Alumni Network, and moreover we set up several events in collaboration with professionals in order to give further tools to our students and to help them entering the world of work more effectively.
Hi, I'm Elena Sacco, the Director of IED Alumni Relations, the program that is literally embracing 100,000 alumni all over the world, graduated in our 12 headquarters with about 85 different job profiles. It's a global community to network with the past, the present and future alumni and to keep in touch with the world of creativity and the latest developments in fashion, visual arts, communication, management, design, arts and restoration. In these times, we launched a digital platform, a literally cutting-edge digital platform that is about networking. It's about showcasing our work. It's about creating relations between alumni companies, showcasing even their enterprises, creating connections, and definitely applying to become teachers or brand ambassador. It's also included talent support and inspiration coming from our alumni success stories, but definitely the ultimate purpose of it, it's about making the IAD network stronger and stronger.
Hello everyone, I am Marco Supino, the Italian Facility Manager. Access to buildings is fully compliant with the health protocol against COVID-19. At the entrance, a digital thermoscanner detects body temperature and the correct positioning of the mask for nose and mouth in order to authorize the access. Hand sanitizer dispensers are also available in multiple locations. Furthermore, we have prepared special directional signs for inner roads and internal spaces, which we have been redesigned for guarantee the social distancing during lessons and common areas. We take really seriously the safety and health of our students.
We wait for you here in Milan, here in Italy, to share our experience and to share your experience with us.
We will see you.
We will see you.
We hope to see you soon.
Hi guys, we will see you.
We will see you here in Milan.
So come join us at the campus of IAD Firenze.
See you in Torino.
See you in Rome.
See you soon. Looking forward.